Question was given by a student to solve the problem. To solve this problem, that is, a question was given to solve it. Find the Fourier sine series for the function fx is equal to e to the power of ax for x greater than 0 less than pi, where a is a constant. So here your solution, that is bn, that is 2 by pi 0 to pi e to the power of ax sine nx dx. Now here let me solve it. This will be, first of all I'm going to do like this, then after that I will place the result here. E to the power of ax sine nx dx, that is ILAT. Your trigonometry is the first function, so this will be sine nx integral ax dx minus integration ddx sine nx and integration of e to the power of ax dx, and this is dx. So this will be e to the power of ax by a sine nx minus your differentiation of sine x, that will be n cos nx, and this will be e to the power of ax by a dx. So now here again this will be, this comes out to be e to the power of ax by a sine nx minus, again by parts, that is trigonometry is your first function, cos nx e to the power of ax dx minus integration differentiation of cos nx and integration of e to the power of ax dx, then dx, this is closed. So this again become e to the power of ax by a sine nx, n by a, this is e to the power of ax by a cos nx minus this integration, it will differentiation will be plus n sine nx, this will be ax by a and dx. So now this will be e to the power of ax by a sine nx minus n by a a square e to the power of ax cos nx, and this will be minus n square by a square e to the power of ax sine nx dx. So I will bring this side, so this plus this will be 1 plus n square by a square e to the power of ax sine nx dx. This will be e to the power of ax by a sine nx minus n by a square e to the power of ax cos nx. So this will come here, so this will be e to the power of ax sine nx dx. This will be a square by a square plus n square e to the power of ax by a sine nx, and this will be minus here this is a square by a square plus n square into n by a square e to the power of ax cos nx. So this is the result I have got. So now if I take 0 to pi, your limit 0 to pi, and here sine from here 0 to pi, and here 0 to pi, we find that 0 to pi, then this part becomes 0, this part becomes 0, so this part becomes 0, so you are left with this part becomes 0. So see, this part, so you are left with that is integration 0 to pi e to the power of ax sine nx dx. This will be, this part is 0, so a square cancel, minus n by a square plus n square, and this will be you like this e to the power of a pi cos n pi minus e to the power of a0 cos 0. So this will be minus n by a square plus n square. I can now rub this. So this will be square, and this will be your e to the power of ax minus 1 to the power of n minus 1. So now this will be n by a square plus n square minus, so 1 minus 1 to the power of n e to the power of ax. So now I am going to place here bn. So your bn will be 2n by pi a square plus n square, and this value is 1 minus 1 to the power of n e to the power of ax. So this is your answer.